Everybody, welcome to Monday the 22nd of June. So here we've got the first candle that has opened above the 8 EMA, and this morning we had quite an interesting gap up from here to here. That's interesting, massive green candle, and then a red candle, and then candle one open below the 8 EMA over there. So effectively we're still south. There is this demand zone here, so possibly there are still buy orders over there. But we've got chaos in the Middle East again. Nothing is decided. This MOU is a total mess. Nobody knows what's going on. I think that Trump and the boys are preparing to have a massive strike again because the IRGC is still funding Hezbollah, and I think that although America said to Israel behave, I think that was just a let's wait and see what the IRG does during the ceasefire, and their true colors are to attack and eliminate Israel. So we'll now see what happens in the next couple of days with the ceasefire. Who knows when it started, if it started on the weekend, if it started on Friday or Thursday. Nobody really knows when the 60 days begins or ends, for that matter. So from a technical analysis perspective, we are close to the 21-day exponential moving average. This is the 50. We're on 4209 currently, so very close to a psychological level, which is 4200. Seems to be support at this stage, and there's lots of room to go north. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Let's just have a look at the statistics, the sentiment for gold. Sentiment, okay, XAUUSD. So retail is long, 60%. So generally when it's long, we usually get shorts to get the long numbers up, because I believe that retail is doing dollar cost averaging, and a lot of the EAs are using martingale systems. So as the price drops, more and more longs get placed, and then if you drop the price even further, stop losses or people get liquidated, and that brings the number down again, and then the price can flip to the north side. So usually when we get to 70-80% long, then there's liquidity sweep. So XAUUSD drops, and then when everybody gets wiped out, then the price reverses. So we've still got room to go south. So we still have to be very conservative here and wait and see what's happening. Cool. See you on the groups. Cheers.